Hey everybody, game time, and today I have some value pack 2019 Bowman. Contains 2 Bowman packs and 5 exclusive camo parallels. I have not opened any of this yet, so I thought I would. There's the 2 packs, and the camo parallels come packaged separately in the little white pack. 12 cards per pack, and I bought 4 of these. So we'll see. I mean, I guess you can get autos, parallels, refractors, whatnot in here, just as you can anything else. I don't, other than the camo parallels, I don't know that there's anything special about these packs. They're just Bowman, I think. Here we go. Alright, let's get it. Oh wait, let me see. These for anybody. Oh, the light's not good enough. Yeah, sky blue, purple, blue, green, gold, red, platinum, 1 in 48,000 plus packs. Even a printing plate isn't that tough. 1 in 11,000 plus. Wow. Alright, Superfractor, 1 in 175,824 packs. If I pull a Superfractor out of this, that'd be pretty crazy. Alright. Cabrera, Abreu, Chris Archer, Stroman, Stewart, rookie, Guillorme, and Morjon, top 100. Anthony K, Chrome Fabian, Chrome Rodriguez, Paper Weathers, and Hernandez. So nothing much happening there. K rookie, there's Mr. Otani, Matt Chapman, Haniger, Victor Mesa, Chrome, Talent Pipeline, Royals, Keegan Thompson, a Chrome, Mitch Keller, Alonso, and Bannon. Alright, there's what the camo pack looks like. Let's see who we get. Blake Rutherford, Jesus Sanchez, Ryan Mountcastle, Gritterall, and Jonathan India. Not bad. Although I don't, to me, are they calling this, did they call this camo? Yeah, they are calling it. To me, that's not very camo-ish. It just looks like they've just turned it green. I mean, maybe they're that. It doesn't look very camo to me. Not that I'm really a fan of camo. People have like overdone it with camo, but that's still weird. I wouldn't exactly call that a camo parallel. I just call it green. Alright, number 2. Yelich, Will Myers, Pilar, Molina, Reed Foley, Brandon Lowe rookie, Dakota Hudson rookie, a Chrome Nolan Gorman. That's not bad. And then, which I assume this is actually a green, Michael Chavis /99. Nice. Aidman, Bowman Chrome, Javier, and Blake Rutherford again. Jansen, Wright rookie, Givens, Carpenter, Franco, Bellinger, Brian Hayes, Chrome, Orion Mountcastle, ready for the show. Daniel Johnson, a Chrome Madrigal, not bad there. Sanchez and Mountcastle, and our green / camo whatever pack has a beat up Adam Hazley. Look at the corner on that. This corner's not too good either. It's peeled up a little bit. Alec Bowman, Christian Javier, Justin Dunn, and Nick Neidert. It's a shame that that one card was not the end of the world, but it just really stinks when you pay for something and it comes out damaged. Alright. Number 3. Ross Wilson rookie, DJ Stewart rookie, Rowdy Tellez rookie, Mr. Mike Trout, Scooter, Hader, what is this, maybe a sky blue, $4.99. Dane Dunning, parallel, nice. AJ Puck, Luzardo chrome, Keibert Ruiz chrome, Duplantier. Next pack. Aaron Nola, Edwin Diaz, Odor, Rizzo, Acuna, Garcia rookie, a chrome Jojo Romero, got a green shimmer autograph, Darian Cruz out of 99. So we did score an auto out of one of these packs. That is sweet. It's on card too. Look at that. Nice. I was not expecting an auto out of here, but I was definitely hoping to get one. That's pretty cool. Alright, Santana, Jimenez, Chrome, Webb, and Costello. What is that? Costello, not Costello. Our camo pack is stuck. There we go. Cole Winn, Kevin Smith, Helio Ramos, Julio Rodriguez, and Taylor Widener. Alright, last pack. Be nice to get maybe a chrome refractor, something like that would be sweet. It's been pretty good so far though. Good couple of parallels on the auto. That's about as good as you can ask for out of 4 of these. Alright, Tuki Toussaint, Brad Keller rookie, Castellanos, DeGrom, Marte, Giancarlo, Chrome Corey Ray, Cole Winn top 100, Joey Wentz, a Chrome Rylan Bannon, Sean Murphy, Anthony Sigler, Chris Davis, Brandon Crawford, Guzman, Chris Bryant, Trey Mancini, Ramos Garcia rookie, Mackenzie Gore Chrome, Jonathan India top 100, Genesis Cabrera, Jordan Adams Chrome, Kevin Smith, Helio Ramos. So nothing much happening there. And our last cards are these camo / green, which again are stuck. There we go. Oh sweet, Jared Clinic. Just maybe a touch of white on the corner again there. That kind of stinks. Oh nice, Mauricio. Sweet. Dane Dunning, Carter Kaboom, and Joey Wentz. We went out kind of with a bang with this last camo pack. That's not bad at all. So that's it for, I don't know what you want to call them. Oh, value packs. Value packs of 2019 Bowman. Pretty cool. I was trying to announce in the big league break that I just posted recently what's coming up on the horizon. I've got some of that leather and lumber on the way. That's exciting. I don't think there's much in the way of football this month. I'll have to check my little calendar. I did make a decision to skip some of the Leaf products that were coming out this month. A couple of Leaf football products hit, but honestly that rookie class is just not all that stellar right now. I mean, that can change of course, and if it does I may go back and buy those, but for now I think I'm going to skip those. But all the mainstream stuff I will have for you guys. So that's it. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back with y'all again soon.